Alright, so today is going to be the first video of many of me trying to restore the interior of my E46 here. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff, a bunch of random stuff I'd say. I got a door panel, armrest, steering wheel, trim pieces, blah blah blah, a bunch of clips over there. So yeah, figured I'd show you guys the process of doing all these. And so let's get started. Alright, so for starters, as you can see, I do have a 6-speed car, but it was previously SMG, and so that requires the change of steering wheel. It's perfect timing too, because this thing's all messed up here. So I'm not going to film the whole process of doing that. I'll probably have a whole separate video, but this is the part 1 of the restoration. So here's how the steering wheel looks before, and this is how it looks after. Step 1 done. Alright, step 2, probably the hardest part of this whole restoration series, is this thing. This thing goes right in here. Spin it in, Velcro, Velcro. All done. Step 2 is a go. Alright, now for step 3, I think I'm going to start working on the center console. As you can see, I have this, it's just dusty, but I have this ashtray area that's super clean. I gotta put that in. If you own an E46, you know that these get scratched up like hell, so I gotta replace that. I also have this new center console trim I'm gonna put in, so I'm gonna get to those right now. Alright, step 3 is done. I got these new trays in. As you can see, they're scratch free. And I also have this new center console piece in, also scratch free, the old one's right there. As far as the center console goes, the cup holder and this back portion right here is not going to get changed out because I have something coming at some point soon. I pre-ordered it a while back. Some of you E46 guys will probably know what it is, but I'll be making a video on that once that gets here. Alright, so we're almost done here. Step 4 is going to be replacing this door panel. As you can see, the door panel right here is pretty f***ed up. This isn't something I could kind of fix. I got to paint over it with some kind of gray paint, which I can't find anywhere. So I'm going to take the door panel off. There's a screw under here, a screw under here, and I think there's 1, 2, 3 under the armrest here. So I'm going to take all these off and then pry the door panel off. Alright, so step 4 is officially over. As you can see, it's nighttime now, but I got the new door panel on. I also got this new armrest on right here. Alright, so part 1 of my interior restoration is complete now. I got the new wheel in. I got the new shift surround piece and ashtray area in. As you can see, those are both spot free now. I got my little Velcro piece in, and finally I got the door card in. This kind of took the longest time just because I had to transfer everything over, like the armrest and the speaker and door handle right there. But other than that, it was pretty easy. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let me know what you guys think. Adios.